Hey guys! Today we'll be making
Rice Krispie treats. For more recipes,
consider subscribing. Now, let's step into our kitchen. Spray your pot with non-stick spray.
We didn't get a chance to show this, but you're gonna wanna spray your bowl before adding your Rice Krispie cereal.
Make sure to spray all the tools you use, including what you use to mix it. Set your stove to medium heat.
Add your butter
Add vanilla extract.
and a pinch of salt.
Once your butter has fully melted, add in all your marshmallows.
You're gonna wanna stir your marshmallows to make sure they fully dissolve.
Once your marshmallow mix looks like ours, like a watery consistency, it's good to go. Don't let it boil.
Add your melted marshmallows into your bowl of Rice Krispies.
Mix it in very well. If you wanted to add sprinkles, now will be the time. Spray your baking pan. We'll use this baking pan to let our Rice Krispie treats cool and take form.
For faster cooling, place in the refrigerator for about 15 to 25 minutes. Cut Rice Krispies into your desired shape. Technically, we're done here. The next step is optional.
We melted white chocolate wafers to drizzle over the top of the Rice Krispie treats.
Have fun decorating them however you like and adding some sprinkles. Enjoy! And happy holidays!
From our kitchen to yours.
Thanks for joining our kitchen!
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. See you soon!